In this video, I'll show you the latest way to turn on international shipping on Shopify. For international shipping to work properly, you need to set up two things. First, the country needs to be added to an active market, and second, that country needs to have a shipping zone with a shipping rate. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click Markets. This is where Shopify controls the countries and regions you sell to. If you already have an international market, you can click into that market. If not, click Create Market or Add Market, depending on what appears in your Shopify admin. Give the market a clear name, such as International, United States, or Europe. Now choose the country or region you want to sell to. For example, you could add the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, or any other country you want to ship to. Once the country has been added, make sure the market is active. Now we need to set up the shipping rate. Go back to Settings, click Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping Profiles, click the shipping profile you want to edit. For most stores, this will usually be the general shipping profile. Now look for the Shipping Zones section. Click Add Zone. Give the zone a name, such as International Shipping, or use the name of the country or region you're adding. Now select the country or countries you want to ship to, then click Done. Next, click Add Shipping Option or Add Rate. This is where you choose what customers will pay for shipping at checkout. For a simple setup, choose a flat rate. Enter a name customers will see at checkout, such as Standard International Shipping. Then enter the shipping price. You can also create free shipping, price-based rates, or weight-based rates, if you want different shipping prices for different orders. Once the rate is set up, click Save. Now test it. Open your store, add a product to the cart and go to checkout. Enter an address from the country you just added. If the country appears in the checkout and a shipping rate shows international shipping is working, if the country does not appear, go back and check that the country is inside an active market. If the country appears but no shipping rate shows, check your shipping profile and make sure that country has a shipping zone and rate, and that's it. You've now turned on international shipping on Shopify.